Hi everyone, welcome back to LUCID tutorials. In today's video, I'll show you how to stop email tracking pixels to protect your privacy. What is an email tracking pixel, how it works, and why you should care? An email tracking pixel is a small transparent image, usually only 1 pixel by 1 pixel, embedded in an email's header, body, or footer. It is invisible to the recipient and does not affect the appearance of the email in any way. The pixels I am showing you in this image are only for demonstration purposes. The actual pixels are tiny and invisible. Tracking pixels are hosted on a server controlled by the email sender or a third-party email marketing software. The primary purpose of an email tracking pixel is to gather information about the recipient's IP address, location, the device they use to open the email, and time. If you are concerned about your privacy and do not want to be tracked by email tracking pixels, launch the Apple Mail application on your Mac computer. I am currently running macOS Ventura. Go to the Mail menu and click Settings. Next, click the Privacy tab. Here, you will be presented with two options. When you check Protect Mail Activity, this option will hide your IP address and the remote content such as the images and invisible pixels will be downloaded in the background. Therefore, email senders cannot build a profile about your mail and website activities. When you uncheck Protect Mail Activity, Hide IP address is still enabled. However, you can choose to block all remote content or leave it unchecked. Let me visually demonstrate it. If I check Block All Remote Content, I will view my mail without images. If I don't check this option, all images and the tracking pixel will be downloaded to my computer, and email senders can retrieve some information regarding my email activity. If you want more convenience, check Protect Mail Activity. If you want more control over your privacy, select the second option and ensure Hide IP address and block all remote content are checked. Once block all remote content is checked, the images and tracking pixel won't download. However, if you decide to see the images in the mail you are currently viewing, go to the top right corner of the mail application and click Load Remote Content. This action affects only the mail you are currently viewing. If you click on another mail, external or remote content such as images and tracking pixels will not automatically download. It is a bit inconvenient, but you have more control over individual emails and your privacy. If you run an earlier macOS version, go to your mail preferences and ensure Load Remote Content in Messages is unchecked. There is an important point that I would like to remind you of. In macOS Ventura, go to the Apple menu and click System Settings. Next, click Wi-Fi, then click Details. Make sure Limit IP address tracking is turned on. If this security feature is turned off, your IP address will not be hidden from known trackers in Safari and Mail applications. If you are interested in learning more about Mac security, I have additional videos available on my channel. You can find the link in the description box below this video. I hope that this tutorial was helpful. If you learned something new from it, give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to receive notifications of upcoming tutorials. Your support will encourage me to make more videos for you. Thank you for watching.